Okay. Okay, now we will see how to attach this internet gateway. So the presently there is only one VPC which is left out with to attach the internet gateway. So we are attaching it. Now this internet gateway is attached to the VPC, but we should still we are not getting a reply to this instance. Okay, as an ICMP protocol. So that is done. Now we need to route this to the internet gateway so that your traffic will be allowed. Now to route the internet gateway, we should go to the VPC. Okay, and let's check what route table is associated with this cloud VPC. So there is this route table is associated with cloud VPC. Now where we need to allow subnets. So let's see, we'll do the subnets association because subnet should be the part of that route table which we are going to change. Presently we are not going to change any routes. So we'll just assign the subnets and then we'll try to see what to be. Now these are two subnets, obviously the cloud public that we have been launched with, so we'll just attach it. So obviously this is the route table that should come into a cloud VPC, so that I can attach both the subnets. No, so sorry, we need to keep this private subnet as a private, so we'll try to remove this subnet. Will not attach this, will attach only public subnet, disassociating route tables. So it's done. Now still we are not getting any reply. Now we'll go to the routes and let's see. Now here you can see that there is a route table entry has one local traffic is enabled, so there is no such entry which will tell that my traffic should go outside or should come from the outside. So it's only local traffic is enabled, so I need to add a route. This route is nothing but going to the any network 0.0/0 means any subnet mask. So this is what if I want to go to the specific public internet also, still I have to provide the route. But obviously if public internet has any network which is coming in, so we can select 0. Now here is you can see that there is an internet gateway. Okay, that we need to select, and this is what the cloud internet gateway that we have created, and we are giving a route so that whenever there is a traffic which is dependent on this main route table of the VPC, so it should point it out to the gateway, and now gateway is responsible for everything. So let's see, once we are done with this, let's check still the reply. Here we are getting a reply from the machine. Can you see this? So this is what we can say in a customized VPC. In a customized VPC, what we are doing, we are trying to get okay connected to the internet gateway, okay, using VPC, and even we are trying to change the route tables as well, right? So this is the story. So I'll just close this. Now we are done with this. Okay, now everything that we will see what is there, which are there, what we have understood. I wanted to message you that can you see the screen. Now we should check what things that we have done. Now these are the two instances which are stopped. Again, now I'll just go through what we have done, just starting with the VPC. So it's very simple to understand, just a small terminology is related to that. So this is VPC. What we have done extra apart from the default one which I wanted to highlight.